Hi guys, welcome to our series all about Wix carts, orders, and checkouts. If you want to remove the enter a promo code link, such as in this case, here's how you can do it. First, I'm going to show you how to get to this page. So you can go to Pages and Menu, and under Store Pages, go to your cart page. And once you're here, click on your cart page element and click on Settings. Now go to the Settings tab on this small window, and under the What's Displayed category, make sure to deselect promo code so that it will no longer appear on your checkout page. Apart from your promo code, there are other information that you can choose whether you want to display them or not. That includes shipping and delivery rates, tax costs, of course, the promo code, and the notes link. So feel free to tweak these up according to your preferences. And once you're done, don't forget to click on Save to save your changes. And if your site's already been published, you can click on Publish again so that the changes you've made to your site will go live. And that's it. We hope you found today's video of help. If you did, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.